Hi, welcome back to MHA Insights. Today we are exploring one of the fundamental yet fascinating concepts in healthcare, which is the spectrum of health. Let's find out, is health just the absence of disease or is it something much more? What is spectrum of health? The spectrum of health describes health as a dynamic continuum, not a static state, with death at one end and optimal well-being as defined by the World Health Organization, a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, not merely the absence of disease. This model suggests that individuals continuously move along the spectrum, experiencing fluctuating levels of health from positive to severe illness and back, emphasizing the ongoing, ever changing nature of health rather than fixed destination. Okay, now we have come to illness wellness continuum, which was the model developed by John W. Travis to show that health is not just the absence of disease but a continuum ranging from premature death to high level of wellness. So let's break it down. We have left side, which is the illness or the treatment paradigm. The red arrow points towards premature death. As we move rightward from death, we pass through disability, symptoms and signs, which are actually early medical indications of illness, for example high blood pressure or high sugar levels. So this side emphasizes the treatment paradigm, where healthcare focuses on diagnosis and treating problems to bring a person back to a neutral state. Then comes the middle or the neutral part or the point. At this stage, a person may not be sick, but they are not necessarily thriving either. It represents freedom from disease but not a positive health. Then comes the right side, which is the wellness side. The blue arrow points towards high level of wellness. Moving rightward, the focus is on awareness, which is becoming conscious of health and lifestyle choices. Then comes the education, learning healthy behaviors and preventive practices. Growth, actively improving well-being in physical, mental, emotional and social dimensions. So this side highlights the wellness paradigm, which is proactive, promoting lifestyle changes, self-care and personal growth beyond the absence of disease. So this diagram depicts that health is dynamic, ever-changing continuum. A person can move left towards illness or right towards wellness depending upon the lifestyle, environment and healthcare. The goal of the modern healthcare is not just to treat illness but to push individuals towards a high level of wellness. Or in short, you can say that the left side is the where the treatment focus should be to minimize the illness, and the right side is the wellness focus, and it is to maximize the potential. The middle part is just the absence of disease. It's not depicting the true health of a person. Now comes the key aspects of spectrum of health. The first one is that it is not static but it is a dynamic process. Health changes continuously depending upon lifestyle, environment and medical care. Second, a continuum. Health and illness are not opposites but lie on a continuous scale. There is no definite single cutoff point where health ends and illness begins. The third is the range of experience. On the spectrum, you find positive health, better health, freedom from sickness, and different stages of illness before reaching the end point of death. Fourth, WHO definition of health. The highest point of the spectrum corresponds to the World Health Organization definition of health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, not merely the absence of disease. Fifth, holistic perspective. The spectrum concept encourages looking beyond the absence of disease to understand a person's overall well-being, considering physical, mental, emotional, social and spiritual dimensions. चलो आपको एक और डायग्राम से समझाते हैं स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हेल्थ. इसमें ये बता रहे हैं कि जो हेल्थ है वो इट्स नॉट जस्ट हेल्दी और सिक बट इट इज़ अ रेंज वेयर पीपल मूव बैक एंड फोर्थ डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर लाइफस्टाइल, एनवायरनमेंट एंड मेडिकल केयर. So let's break it into parts. The green part is the positive health. You see on the left side, where people are at their best health. They are energetic, free from disease, and enjoying physical, mental, and social well-being. Then comes the better than average health. a stage where people are doing well but not at their absolute peak. They are relatively healthy with no major health problems. After that comes the neutral zone, which is actually the absence of disease. It is a middle stage where a person may not have any sickness but also isn't necessarily in positive health. It basically being disease free but not truly healthy. Then comes the early illness or the risk factors, which shows early signs of illness. For example, high blood pressure, obesity, stress, high levels of blood sugar. They may not be very sick yet, but their health is beginning to decline. And after comes the truth, the death part, which is at the far right, where the spectrum ends with death. So what this diagram depicts is that health is a continuum. People keep moving forward and backward depending on their habits, environment and care. And with healthy choices like diet, exercise, preventive care, one can move left towards wellness. And with unhealthy habits or neglect, one moves towards right, which leads to illness or death. Now comes the importance of spectrum of health. सो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ये हमें ये समझाता है कि जो डॉक्टर्स और पॉलिसी मेकर्स हैं उनके लिए हेल्थ का मतलब सिर्फ ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डिजीज़ नहीं होना चाहिए. इसमें उनको शामिल करना चाहिए हेल्थ प्रमोशन को, प्रिवेंटिव केयर को, लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशंस को और रिहैबिलिटेशन को. इन शॉर्ट, हेल्थ एक जर्नी है, ना कि डेस्टिनेशन. सो दिस वॉज स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हेल्थ फॉर यू ऑल गाइज. अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें MHA इनसाइट्स को. और कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको क्या लगता है कि आज के ज़माने में ज़्यादा लोग स्पेक्ट्रम के किस पॉइंट पर हैं. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.